Ready to untangle the world of chatbot automation and build amazing WhatsApp experiences? Today, we're diving into Aisensy, and I will show you how to create your first flow, step by step, perfect for beginners. First, log into your Aisensy account and navigate to the flow builder. It's usually located in the left-hand menu. Click on it to get started. You'll see a blank canvas. This is where we'll design our flow. Notice the start node. This is where your conversation begins. Now, let's add our first message. Drag a message node from the sidebar and connect it to the start node. This creates the first step in your automated conversation. Click on the message node to edit its content. Type in your welcome message, like hello. How can I help you today? This is what your customers will see first. To make the flow active, you need to set up a trigger. Go to the settings panel on the right and add keywords like help, support, or pricing. When a user sends these keywords, the flow will begin. Let's make it interactive. Add a button node connected to your welcome message. Now add some options like track, order, and contact support. For each button, create a new message node. Connect the buttons to the new message nodes with the relevant response, so if they click track order, they get information on order tracking. Congratulations, you've created your first simple flow in Aisensy. You can keep adding nodes and connections to build even more complex and engaging experiences. Don't forget to test and refine your flow for optimal customer interaction.